Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand sort by function in Excel. The sort by function in Excel is used to sort the contents of a range or an array based on the values in another range or array. It allows you to sort a range based on the values of different range, providing more flexibility in sorting a data. The syntax for sort by is sort by into the round brackets array by array 1 sort order 1 by array 2 sort order 2. Now let's try to understand this function with this small example. In the first column, we are having the names of the employee. In the second column, we are having the salary. We want to arrange the names in ascending or descending order according to the salary they are drawing. So for this, I'll activate sort by function, sort by round bracket, select the name of the employees, comma, their salary, comma, 1 for ascending, you can see here, and minus 1 for descending. So close the bracket, done. So James, Douglas, Van, Peter. So James is drawing the least salary and John is drawing the highest salary. You can see here. Now we want to uh, we want this order in descending format. So again sort by, select the name of the employees, select the name of the employees, comma, their salary, comma, and for descending, make sure you write minus 1, enter. So now John is on the top, then Michelle, Peter, and here James is at the last. So this is how you can use sort by function in Excel. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos on Excel. Please refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please share and like my videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Link given in the description box.